you make people happy? How do you make people smile? How do you bring joy to the people around you and the people that you care about? There's one key: self-amusement. Having fun. Doing things that are fun to you will generate good energy, and by the law of state transference, it will go on to the rest of the world, onto everybody around you. So instead of trying to make others happy or make others laugh, the key really is to make yourself smile, make yourself laugh, make yourself have a good time with whatever you're doing, because it's infectious. When you're around somebody who's smiling and laughing and having fun, who has great energy, you feel good. Even if you were feeling depressed before you were around them, when you get around them, your energy is instantly lifted. So, be that person. Be that person who, when people get around you, their energy is lifted. They feel happy. They want to smile, they want to laugh, and they really just have a great time. See, so often we are so focused on getting approval or trying to make someone smile so that we can get something from them. But if you're just amusing yourself, if you're just doing it because you love doing it, because it's fun to you, people love you. They want to be around you. They're drawn to you. They're magnetized to you. And they get so much joy out of being around you because you get joy from being around you. See, that's the key. When you treat yourself well, when you make yourself smile, when you make yourself happy and fulfilled and joyful, it's very difficult to not share that with others. You cannot give something that you do not have. That's so essential. Most people don't even realize this. It's so basic, yes, but it's overlooked. See, if you don't have water, you cannot give someone else water. If you don't have joy and happiness and love, you can't give it to someone else. If you want a fulfilling relationship and you don't love yourself, it's very difficult to give love to someone else because your tank is empty. So fill your tank. Fill your tank big time so that it overflows. Watch stuff that makes you smile. Read things that are fun and funny to you. Really, go out of your way to be around people that make you laugh too, because this adds to the tank, and then you have more to share. And you want as much to share as possible. That way you don't feel drained. You don't feel like you're trying. You don't feel like you have to put on a mask to try to be the joker or the class clown. You're just doing it because you've got so much good energy that it's just emanating off of you. It's spilling over. There's so much to go around. It's not something you have to try to do. Drop the trying and get into being. When you try to make people happy, you struggle, you supplicate. When you are being someone who is happy, you can't help yourself. Even if you tried not to make people laugh, you'd just be sitting there kind of going like this because there's so much good energy in you. So fill that energy tank, and it's the ultimate way when you self-amuse that you generate so much positivity that there's no way, it's unavoidable. You can't help yourself. You're making people very, very, very happy.
I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload. And if you'd like to experience a real breakthrough and some massive progress in your life, sign up for coaching. It's in the bottom left of your screen right now. If you click on that, you'll go to my website and you can book a free consultation to get us started.